Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Sing glows like a meteor, flies like magic, and it comes right back to you. Yeah, with a little practice. All right, toy letters. This isn't your average drone. Meet the Flying Orb Ball. This is upgraded for 2025, and hand-controlled hover ball, lights and flashes. It's got some kind of built-in AI. I don't know about that, but it flies and spins, and what an amazing thing. Where were these toys when I was a kid, right? Anyway, let's fire it up and see what we get. Okay. Okay, there it is. Yeah, it's a little noisy. How cool is that, huh? Now watch this. Okay, there it went. That thing's a blast. I love it. Kids love it, and we have a great time with it. It's an amazing thing. It charges fast. It's easy to learn, and you need to get you one if you haven't already. Thanks a lot. Bye now.